Ang laki na itong box na pinadala ni Infinix sa akin, and it's the racing edition ng Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus. And it's being collaborated with BMW, by the way. And alam naman natin pag BMW, ito maging color team na makita mo sa loob ng iyong phone. And I'm really excited kung ano meron dito sa box na ito. It's quite big and huge. So, tara, buksan natin. So since sa panahon ng unboxing experience, isa-isahin natin everything dito sa loob ng box na to. Which pag binuksan natin, there's a welcoming note dito na sabi na on the track of life, defying barriers, enjoy the speed. And pagbukas mo, there's 4 boxes dito, including the phone itself. Meron ka pang pull out dito na goodies. Tara, isa-isahin natin. We have a Infinix X BMW na keychain, which looks nice. A braided white na charging cable. A really nice looking na phone stand. This is definitely my favorite. Probably lalagay ko na sa loob na aking backpack. It's a Infinix X BMW na gun charger. Kita natin there's 1A port and 2C port. And guess what? Meron pa siyang shades dito. Astig oh. Try nga natin. Hasta la vista. You'll find the Infinix na X Watch 3, which looks really nice. It's probably one of the first smartwatch na meron in Infinix. Ito naman ang Xbuds 3WE ni Infinix, which looks nice, and makita mo there's the BMW logo dito. And it looks small and very nice. And na-try ko rin siya, okay naman siya sa aking tenga. And last but not the least is kind of MagSafe na charging pad, which also sports the collaboration logo dito sa likod. So just a word of disclaimer, if you buy this phone, Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus, the Racing Edition, you'll only get this. Itong package nito is just for promotional purpose. Now, all the things that you'd see outright dito if you unbox the phone is magandang kanang design. I love the way it is. Ang ganda ng kanang likod dito, especially yung back niya. It's like a parang silver na pinatungan mo pa ng frosted color. Kaya mapapansin mo yung print ng Infinix dito is medyo parang litaw siya. Makita mo yung shadow pag inilawan mo siya. Now, the rest are the same and I like the colorway. It's really nice. One indicator dito is itong logo ni BMW dito. Everything else is almost the same naman sa kanyang regular edition na Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus. Na pagdating naman sa experience kanya, okay, the same pa rin naman siya sa Note 40 Pro Plus na regular edition. This one still sports the Dimensity 7020. And Antutu benchmark score niya is 474,000 points. Almost the same naman doon sa regular edition. Now, this phone has a 108MP na main camera sensor with OIS. Meron siya dalawang 2MP na sensors. Ang kanyang harap is a 32MP na front-facing camera which can also shoot you up to 2K in 30. Now, tingnan muna natin some quick samples dito. Now, playing some of the games dito, it's the same experience naman na na-feel ko sa Note 40 Pro Plus 5G and pretty much optimized naman siya kasi meron naman siya X-Arena dito. Now, one of the good things dito sa phone na ito is maganda kanyang theme and I love the way it is kasi special edition talaga siya and kita mo mga icons niya is specially crafted just for this phone. And here are some of the other icons as well. And out of the box, kailangan mo pumasok sa kanyang themes and select Neo Speedway. And kita mo ito mga theme, ito yung mga icon pack niya. So kung guys gusto niyo mabili ang phone na ito, I'll be linking on the description box below. And gusto niyo makita ang full review nito phone na ito, link up there. So if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And sub to this channel, it's definitely awesome. I'll see you in the next one.
And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.